Hi, Mark here with an AMS Club tip. Today we're diving into charts with dual axes, a quick trick to help you master Dynamics 365 one tip at a time. Okay, so I've got my all opportunities list in front of me and I'm going to click on to show chart. And what we want to do is we want to create a chart today based on estimated revenue, the count of opportunities, and the month that they're going to be closing in. So we're building a pipeline report essentially. So when I open my chart pane, I'll just click onto the three dots, the ellipsis, and new. And so my chart is going to be called Pipeline Reports, Month Closed and Value. And it's going to be a line and column chart. Okay, so what we'll do is I'm just going to put in my horizontal axis first. And I'm going to pop into here the estimated close date. Now, when you put a date field in here, you get the option of specifying the kind of the period. So it's defaulted to month, which I want to retain because I want to see the monthly pipeline. But you could change this to day, week, quarter, year, depending on what your sales cycle is based on. So if you report very quick deals that turn around fast and you want to do daily or weekly, that's fine. If you work on a monthly cycle, also fine. If you've got a long sales cycle that maybe works in quarters or years, you can use quarters or years instead. Okay, so I'm next going to choose my first series. So I'm going to select from here that we want to pull in the topic because this is going to be the count field that we use. Okay, and I'm going to change it. It's already defaulted to count all, which is fine. It's going to give me a total of the number of opportunities. But I'm going to click on the chart type option here. And I'm going to change it to a line chart. Okay, so I'll now get a line chart with the count of opportunities and the month that they're closing in. That's great in and of itself, but we want to make this even more useful. So let's add another series now, and let's turn this into estimated revenue. Again, it's detected it's a money field, so it's going to change it to sum automatically, which is what we want. And we can see it's actually defaulted to a column chart again, which is what we want. So the report's called Pipeline Report Month Closed and Value. I want it to be a line and a column chart. Okay, so that looks like it's going to be okay. So let's click on to Save and Close. Okay, great. So we can see our chart is loaded in the background. We've now got our first y-axis, the left axis, and it's giving us a count. So 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, and that ties into the blue lines for the count of opportunities. We can see there we've got 19 in October 2025. And on the right-hand side, we've got estimated revenue, and it defaults the auto incrementing into, looks like £300,000 pound blocks. Going up, and so then we can see that the actual columns are giving us our estimated revenue. Okay, so really helpful for us to be able to see based on our monthly close date down at the bottom what our pipeline is looking like, both in terms of the number of deals and the value of those deals. So helpful because you could see, well, actually, if we've got only a couple of deals making up 3 million, we've got 27 here, but if we only had a couple of deals making up 3 million, that might be quite risky. We maybe want to put some more in the pipeline for March 2026, but we've got 27 deals here making up 3 million. So we could, based on our sales cycle and our sales process, think that we've actually got a reasonable spread of opportunities in there to land as much of that 3 million as possible. So really, really helpful. And that's now saved it as it normally would do in our personal chart. So we can return to that in the future. And that gives us our pipeline reports, month closed and value with a line and a column chart. Thanks for tuning into this week's AMS Club tip. If you found it helpful, please like it, give it a share with your team and subscribe for more. And remember, all my systems is here to help you get the most out of Dynamics 365.